Hey guys, this is Queen and welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been gone for a while, but I've been pretty much on a no heat challenge. It has pretty much been 8 months since I silk pressed my hair. Now today's going to be a quick video. I'm not going to show me washing my hair or blow dry because we all know how that is. But I was trying out new hair care products that I've never tried before. I swapped out my old shampoo for the Shea Moisture, Strengthening Restore Shampoo, Shea Butter, Peppermint, Apple Cider Vinegar, Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Love this stuff. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I love the smell. It leaves my hair nice and soft and moisturized. I love this stuff. 10 out of 10. Like I said, I know I'm late to the game, but this stuff right here, like Mary J. Blige. Oh, this stuff right here, this Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Repair Deep Condition. Leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes. Conditioner by Nano. Love this stuff, and the smell is also invigorating. And I don't have that much left, as you can see. Like I don't know if you can really see that well, but I don't have that much left. But I will use this when I deep condition my hair. Put my hair a little twist. Let it like dry for like, not fully dry, but like go like 50%. Head out the door. But this stuff right here was Also, I've been using the Miel hair drops. Now, this stuff is amazing. It smells great. As soon as I put it on my scalp feels so cool. I believe it's the tea tree oil. It has rosemary mint infused with biotin. This stuff is 10 out of 10. As you can see here, I pretty much use up this whole bottle. Mine just like my second bottle. I try not to go overboard because when I did one time, I did go overboard. I ruined the pillowcase and a pillow. If you were to use this, I would suggest to use this at least an hour and a half or 2 hours before you go to bed. As you know, I'm going to silk press my hair. It's been 8 months. I want to be using, I can never pronounce the name, so I'm going to be called, I always call it Mirtha. This is hair conditioning with keratin in it, which your hair needs keratin. Protects your hair against heat damage. There's the flat iron and the blow dryer. I mostly use this when I straighten my hair. During the summertime, I don't blow dry my hair. I just, let it go. So what I'm going to do, wash my hair off camera. I'm going to come back, throw this in here real quick, and then we're going to get to the straightening today. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair. You can see my shirt is like soaked. So this is how my hair looking. I have to do some detangling. So I'm going to pretty much work my way from the back to the front, and then I'm gonna let this sit in for about like maybe 10 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna blow dry and come right back, and then we're gonna get to the straightening. Okay, so my hair is fully drenched in the conditioner. I'm going to let this sit in for about 10 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna head over and blow dry my hair. I'm gonna do it off camera because obviously we all know how blow drying goes, and then I'm going to get to the flat iron. After using the Mirtha hair conditioner, it's really soft, as you can see here. So the shrinkage is real. I'm not gonna put nothing on my hair because like I said, I don't put nothing on my hair when I blow dry at all. Oh, say hi to Morgie. She's over there. So I'm going to blow dry my hair with no product on it. And then we're going to, I'm trying my best to speed this up. Okay, so I did this part off camera because I was trying to make this video as short as possible. So this is one side completely done. There we go. This is my tailbone. So my hair has reached tailbone status again. I'm gonna have to cut some off. So I did this part off camera, so I'm gonna do the other part on camera. So my hair has grown a bit since the last time I did a video. As you can see here, like it's hitting my waist. I'm gonna try to comb this out so you guys can see. So it's back to waist length. So, but those Mio hair drops, they work. I give it that much. It works because I've been using them for the past couple of months. This is pretty good. I have to cut off some ends, which is no biggie, but yeah. So I'm gonna help my sister come in here and help cut some off. Okay, guys. So I did my hair about 2 days ago. I was trying to do pretty much like finish the video for you guys to show you guys the snip, but it started raining here in New York and it got very humid, foggy. You know what humidity do to hair? Fuzz it out. So my hair is a little bit fuzzy, but it's okay. So pretty much I'm just gonna just turn around the straight, the length, and how was it look. Okay, so this is my hair before. And this is my hair after the cut. So once again, thank you guys for watching my video. I appreciate all you guys. I appreciate all of the comments and the love comments as well. And all the new subscribers, thank you so much. And there is more to come. So once again, you guys be blessed, and I'll see you guys soon. Walk into the place.